Today I'm gonna attempt to change my AC compressor. So these little gas nozzles, let all the air out, or gas out, sorry. I already did it, so that doesn't have to be done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this. I think that's a 13mm bolt, so let's get it started on that. First thing we're gonna do is loosen this thing up. Hear the rest of the gas hissing out. So at least we know we don't have a leak. Got the tension pulley off. Now we're gonna get 1, 2, and 3, and that's how I got the tension pulley loose. So, all right, let's get it. And just like that, it's out. Just drop it from here and through the bolts. Boom. Good money. You heard? Little Buddha? Chris a mechanic? Unbolted all 3 spots right there. That's the old part. This is the new one. Chris a mechanic? Yeah. Tighten up, line up all 3 bolts. Tighten it back up. I did the first one, the top one first, so it could hold itself in place. There's nothing holding it, no brackets or nothing. It's literally just being held on by these 3 bolts. So. It's so easy because I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. So. I mean, this saves you time, labor, sitting at the shop, having guys fuck around and with your truck. want this thing falling off, going down the highway. So I'm gonna tighten it as much as possible. Don't strip the screw now. Alright, that should be good.